Hello friends, welcome to our channel InhouseERP. So today video is on how to set header and footer in MS Excel. So this is our database in table format. Now I am going to show you how to set header and footer for this data. First click on page layout and now click on this section page setup. Click on custom header. This is data I already written. You can do whatever format you want, bold, italic, and size of the data. This is up to your requirement. Click on OK. Now click custom footer. Mostly here page number and pages option is used, so I am going to use this. Here we can use date and time. OK, and then OK, or click on print preview. So this is our header comes. Now I am creating a new table to show you that the header and footer is static. It will be not change. You can write any data or create any database. This header and footer will remain same unless or until you change it. Now I show you. Just select this database. Control P, and this is data header footer. Data change but header footer same. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you would like it. If you like this video, may like, share, subscribe. Thank you.